Maggie in front.
And Kate's behind the camera.
And this is showing another Guinevere album and box, this time using this is one of my all-time favourite papers, the Enchanted Forest from Graphic 45. And this is the box decorated. Lots of glossy accents, as you will see.
Maggie did it. Yeah, there'll be glossy accents everywhere.
Hey, I just think it finishes things off. And then I've done my handle for my album. I've actually stuck architape together, then I've embossed it. Oh no, then I cut it out with a Mexican belly band, then I embossed it.
You can't really tell the texture on it, actually.
No, you can't.
Because you can't see it on the film. Okay, was it? Let's see if I can make it. There we go.
Can you see it?
Now you can see it. There you go.
Okay.
Just to show that I'm here, I'm doing something useful.
Okay, so the Guinevere album is
Don't really pass me the box.
designed by Paul Langford. Thank you very much, Paul. And it's a really nice size to work with, especially if you're just starting out. So I've just done the front cover here. Now I didn't put acetate in mine here. I just had a piece of the...
Recessed in.
Yes, that's the word. Oh, you're on top form today, Kay.
So,
and I'm following the theme of the Mexican whiskers, which was the edge of the box. So I've got a nice little horizontal pocket here. And then here I've just done a vertical pocket straight down. But my page edges have Mexican whisker. And when you pull the tab out, you'll see that the waist from when I cut out the decorative page actually matches there, so it looks like it's one page.
Do you want to move it across a bit and I'll zoom in about it so I can get that. See that.
Okay. So you can see the dragon's tail carries on.
Then move it towards your head then. There you go.
Okay, yeah. You see the dragon's tail.
And you've done that for all of them, haven't you?
Yes, okay. I have, yeah, because I'm a bit OCD. So, but this one, because obviously the pocket's there, matching paper is there for that, yeah. And then here's the next one. Again, it's a very simple album. A little flap here, using the Mexican whiskers. That's the Mexican whiskers. Oh, and I think, yes, I have. So that's a base behind there. And what I did in the flap was I used a Mexican whisker as a tuck spot. And I also cut a Mexican whisker in here as another tuck spot. And then on here, I've got my photo mats, 3x3s. I've got my page in there again, page insert in there. And on here, I've got my little vertical pages. This one was a bit of a challenge because obviously I'd cut the fancy edge of the page, and then I wanted horizontal pockets, so it took a bit of cutting out with black card to make sure it all looked nice and blended in. And then this is a Mexican belly band, and then on the last page I've got a tuck spot there, and then here I've used a Mexican whisker just to tuck in and create another tuck spot, and then I've got another horizontal pocket there. My original monster book, I don't know if we ever did a walkthrough for my original monster book.
Yes, we did.
With the Enchanted Forest. No,
yeah,
I don't. Did we?
I might have done. I don't know, such a long time ago.
This is one of my all-time favourite papers. But thank you for watching.
Thank you.